Anyway, we got a couple more. We're going to breeze through it. But don't worry, because we're coming back strong next week. I'm coming back like Steve Ballmer next week.
Dancing?
Yeah, maybe I am.
All right.
Maybe I got to have some moves and whatnot. Anyway, yes, we're going to have all of our April Fool's things are already flowing because tomorrow's April 1st. Here's a little taster. The Razer Hypersense suit. Enter the metaverse. Suit up.
Gaming is escaping reality, they say. Go out and experience the real world, they say.
Just running in a field.
Metaverse is just
So exciting.
they say. But what they don't know is that the future
It's
is
like Power
already
Rangers.
Yeah, I was just gonna say like Power Rangers.
Introducing the Razer Hypersense.
With his butt jut out.
Yeah.
Innovation
Oh,
yeah.
that
Popped
changes
out.
the field and
Jumped in the
feel
trunk.
of gaming forever. With over 1,333,337 haptic sensors, each one is
Just-
capable of
The number doesn't even
simulating
matter.
It does.
hyper-
It's a gaming
touch,
number. It
and
means leak.
sensation.
Oh, okay.
Experience the full force of a glorious
I
race
missed that
car
one.
pileup that takes getting wrecked to a whole new level.
He flies out.
I
Box
see.
remains as you take every bone-crunching blow from a crispy combo. Feel the pain.
He's not even wearing a mask. His
Boss
teeth are
attack
knocked out.
as you
Yeah.
wipe again.
He has a
and
suit like that, but he plays Street Fighter.
Yeah.
and again. But beyond the physical, the true potential of the Hypersense suit lies deeper. With the ability to feel feelings, ranging from love to rage, it allows all gamers, including the emotionally repressed, an outlet to become the human you are always meant to be.
This is like a Black Mirror episode.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
Like just the way that it's
Yeah.
shot, and
Well,
the way that it's said,
I mean-
like narrated.
The Force with a Razer
It's like
Hypersense suit.
quasi fake, but
Well, it's a thing
I don't
where
know, very well done.
it's just a thing where you know that it's April Fool's Day and they're having fun with it, but you're also like, how far away are we really before people are putting suits on?
Right.
Like, and we're actually not. So it's not so unbelievable that you couldn't imagine it as a product.
Yeah.
Like I've worn vests that vibrate
Yeah.
and have like subwoofers in them.
Those are cool though.
And increasingly people are in like VR environments and they're trying to figure out touch. So it's not that crazy either.